Good morning, students. Today we will discuss properties of addition and subtraction of integers. Below few properties are there: closure property, commutative property, associative property. So we will discuss about all these properties, what these properties are, and how the addition and subtraction can be done. Okay, so just see, first of all, it is the closure property. So what closure property says, that if we add two integer, the result is also integer. For example, if we are having two integer a and b, a is also integer, b is also integer, so the result a plus b, it is also integer. For example, just see one of the example. We are having two integers 17 plus 23, and when we add we got 40. Okay, so 40 is also integer, so we can say that it is closed under addition. Now for subtraction also we will discuss. If we are having two integers and we will subtract it. Okay, for example 7 minus 9, what the result we got? We got minus 2. Here 7 is also integer, 9 is also integer, and minus 2, it is also integer. Okay, so what closure property says for addition and subtraction? That addition integers are closed under addition. Okay, and integers are also closed under subtraction. What it means? Means when you add two integer, the result is an integer, and when you subtract two integer, again the result you got as integer. Second property, it is commutative property. It is also known as commutativity. So what this property says, that you can add integers in any order. For example, you are having two integers, so you can add as a plus b, or you can add as b plus a. Okay, so we'll check it. For example, a you are having as 5 and b you are having as minus 6. Okay, now we will check it as a plus b. So what you got? You can change it 15. Okay, so what you got? 15 minus 5, result you got as 10. Again, when you do b plus a, means minus 5 plus 15, you got 10 only. So result is same. You have changed the order, but the result is same. So what we can say, that addition is commutative for integers. Okay, for integers addition is commutative. Now we will check it for subtraction. Okay, again just take two numbers, take the similar one or the changed. For example, we have taken as a as 5 and b as minus 3. So what we have to check? A minus b and b minus a. First of all, we will check a minus b. 5 minus minus 3. Why minus 3? Because the value of b is minus 3, and subtraction we have done. Okay, minus is already there and we have to do the subtraction. Now you will open the bracket, minus minus plus, and the result you got is 8. Okay, now check for b minus a. B is already minus 3, then minus 5. It is minus 8. You are getting the same answer? No. Okay, so subtraction is not commutative for integers. Addition is commutative, means you can change the order and you can add, but subtraction is not commutative for integers. Now next property is associative property. Means if we are having three integers, okay, but we are having three integers and we are changing the order. For example, we are having three integers a, b and c, and how we are adding it? First of all, we will add a plus b, then the result we will add to c, or we will add a to b plus 3 c. The result is same. Okay, just assume any three numbers. A, b is 2, c is 5, any three. Okay, now see for the first one, minus 3 plus 2 and c is plus 5. You are getting minus 1 plus 5 plus minus minus. Okay, sign is plus only because the sign of 5 is plus. Now check it, that one minus 3 plus it is 2 plus 5 minus 3 plus 7 and it is 4. So we are getting the same answer now. So what we can say, that addition is associative for integers. Okay, subtraction is not associative, but addition is associative for integer. One more term is there, it is additive identity. Okay, additive identity. So what additive identity is? 0 is additive identity. Why 0 is additive identity? Because if we add 0 to any integer, we will got the same integers. Okay, there is no change in the integer. A plus 0, we are getting A only. Okay, for example, minus 3 plus 0, we are getting minus 3. 5 plus 0, we are getting 5. So what additive identity is? 0. So we recall all this again. Closure property. So addition and subtraction both are closed. Okay, means when you add to integer, the result is integer. When you subtract to integer, the result is integer. Commutativity means if you are changing the order, you are getting the same result. Only for addition, not for subtraction. Means addition is commutative. Okay, for integer. Again, addition is associative for integer and 0 is additive identity.